Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with an adorable door hanger that's perfect for the Christmas season. We're so excited that we have different styles like this coming in. And the first up is the present box. It's so cute. It's nice and big. It's actually 24 inches long and 20 inches across. So it's a really large, full-size thing that's perfect to hang on your door. So if you're looking for something that's not super thick, like maybe you have a storm door, but you really want it to show up from the street, what a nice way to have like a lot of red. It will pop from the street. We're gonna add a little floral to the top, of course, some beautiful ribbons, and it's just gonna be a nice, inexpensive way to get a really big thing on your front door. So for the floral on here, I've chosen this really nice mixed pick. It's pine, it's cedar, it's leaves, and I've fluffed it out. I like it because it's got two-tone green too, and this has kind of like your traditional Kelly green Christmas color running through on the ribbon. So all I've done is fluff this up. We're gonna cut the stem off though, because we are gonna have that little part of the stem going up, and we don't want it to like stick up too far. So it's just gonna be right here on the present, and then we're gonna add a little bit of ribbon. So what I'm actually gonna do is, this has a grapevine bow on it. We're just gonna put a little glue, kind of push it up into there, and then add our ribbons on there. It's gonna be the quickest, easiest project you've ever done, but it's gonna give you something nice and big to really show up on your door. Okay, look how easy that was. And that grapevine bow just kind of holds it in place, and then you can kind of move your floral around. We don't want to block too much of the present. But how nice is just a little floral and ribbon? It adds something special to anything you have that maybe is just kind of plain, a little bit flat. So for ribbons, first up, I chose this red and white stripe. I just wanted to bring a little bit more red and white to it. So we're only gonna do a piece of that just because there's already so much red going on. The next one I chose is this gorgeous two-tone green stripe with a little bit of red. How pretty is that? It just is really nice and rich looking, and it shows up so well. But it also ties in the green that's already on the present, as well as like the lime kind of green that's in the stem. So I just did a couple loops of that, and then I wanted to bring some of that Kelly back to the front. So I'm just gonna do a couple loops in the smaller size, 1.5 inch of this really nice Kelly green. All right, and then you just need a cloth covered wire. You're gonna tie your bow right in the middle, and then you're just gonna tie it around that grapevine bow and stem. So I'm just gonna move this pine cone up a little bit, go right underneath of it. I'm gonna take it off, show you what I'm doing here. I'm just twisting it around the back, and I'm just gonna twist it on. That way, if I wanna change my ribbons next year, I wanna add in a different color, something special, I can do it really easily. All right, I got the bow smashed a little bit there, but we're gonna fix it. It's all wired, so it's gonna be perfect. And we're gonna cut our tails. So just take a minute, move all those tails, move all those loops where you want them. Make that greenery kind of stand back up, and those berries. I'm gonna move this pine cone into the middle so it doesn't smash the bow too much. And now I'm ready to cut those tails. So this one's already good to go up here, so are these two. Now I've got this little green one here, this one, and then I've got the red. All right. I didn't want them too long because I don't want to block. I think sometimes if you do it too big, you won't be able to tell what it is. But there we go. Nice, cute little present. Look how fast that project was, and it's so nice. Shows up really well on the front door. If you would like this kit, this super easy project for you to make this Christmas, maybe for yourself or a gift, head on over to shopdeeslouisville.com.